Hi everyone, Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This week ending 4/7 of 2024 and the stock was QCOM. This happened on Wednesday the 3rd. It's based on a 60-minute DTS buy setup with an entry on a 5-minute retest and failure buy setup. The management advance and reward to risk 2.0 to 1. Interesting, this trade actually at the end of the day after what I held it made between 5 and 6 reward to risk units. I never planned to hold it. I wasn't upset about that. Before we get going, this week we have for free DTS members bi-weekly scanning night on Monday. Be there. And on Wednesday we're going to have the DTS educational event. It's going to be called 4 Technical Analysis Fallacies. It'll be kind of a technical one. I think it'll be a very good one. You can read that slide there, or you will also receive an email about it between now and Wednesday with your logins coming on Tuesday night. Here's the daily chart for QCOM, the way it looked before the day of the trade. I really like the stock. As a matter of fact, I believe the night before this we had a scanning night with the seminar program members, and this one really stood out as my favorite for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's really a nice chart. The daily chart is fine. I was looking at the hourly chart. I'll show you that in a second. But it also had something that I like to use as a complement to a strategy, and that was called relative strength. This day where you see this narrow little green bar here was the day the market had a big sell-off. QCOM is very much a market stock. Something's up with QCOM, somebody's buying it. So that's the way it looked the day before the trade, day after the trade. We opened right about there and put in a big green bar. The hourly chart is what I really loved. I loved how it looked going into the day of the trade. I loved the support area in here. I was hoping we would come down and find that support area, and we actually did. We opened with a little bit of a gap, but then we fell and came right down and tested that support area. That is a great support area for a whole lot of reasons. I'm probably going to talk a little bit about that topic this Wednesday at the special event. You get a little better view on the 5-minute chart. Actually, the one shows a little bit better because this trade happened fairly quickly. It was entered first few minutes of the day, only lasted about 10 minutes. So a 5-minute chart, we're going to open right in there, and we are going to bounce initially and then come back and test that support level. You don't see the support here on the chart. You saw it on the prior chart. Entry over 169.66, stop under 168.95. Trade's underway. Target 1 was on that quick when it started to peel away from that gap fill. Target 1 was taken right there for 1/3, and then the back was held. You can see that huge rally. I wish I could tell you I got all that. I took the second part of it, the second 2/3, 171.48. Looked good at that time. It was a very nice profit. It happened all in just a few minutes, which is not what I like to do. Why didn't I hold that day? I didn't have the expectation the market or the stock was going to run that far. It simply wasn't in my target zone. Turns out it would have been great. Almost always I'm holding something, half of it, 2/3 of it, for an end of the day move. I didn't have that view this day. It turned out to be wrong, so I didn't hang on to it. 1-minute chart gives you a little better view of this great entry. That's the opening price right there. We rally up, pull back, and that is hitting that support level right there. Entry, target 1 you can see pretty clearly. And target 2 also becomes kind of clear on the 1-minute chart, even though it rallied quite a bit after that. The first 3 months have ended. This is going out on April 7th. Can't ask for much better stats in the DTS Trading Room the opening 3 months. Come join us if you're interested in day trading. Calm, relaxed plays, well planned ahead of time, things you can follow along with. Higher volume stock, it's not the crazy stuff. You can go to the DTS website and figure out how you can join the DTS Trading Room. If you have even a morning or two free, it's very likely worth it to you. If you like this video, check out some prior Trade of the Week videos, as well as prior educational videos that are on the free stuff page. You can either click there or visit Disciplined Trading Strategies and then click on the free stuff tab. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.